The Little Painter. Sophie loved to paint. One day she decided to paint her dreams. She grabbed her brushes and colorful paints, setting up her canvas in the backyard. Sophie imagined a world filled with rainbows, talking animals, and magical trees. As she painted, her colors came to life. A blue bird flew off the canvas, chirping joyfully, and a playful fox danced around her. Sophie laughed and painted faster, wanting to capture more of her magical world. The fox suggested they go on an adventure together. Sophie jumped into her painting, and they explored the vibrant land filled with friendly creatures. They splashed in rainbow rivers and danced in flower fields. After hours of fun, Sophie knew it was time to return. She waved goodbye to her new friends, promising to visit again. Back in her backyard, she looked at her painting and smiled, knowing her imagination could take her anywhere. Sophie learned that creativity knows no bounds, and that art could bring her dreams to life. From that day on, she painted every chance she got, filling her life with color and joy.